we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up on the top, we give you a new shutoff valve. It's brass. It's a 3/4 inch full port quarter turn ball valve. So just quarter turn off, quarter turn on, and replace that old valve. Underneath here, Falcon stainless steel connectors. You can't see them, but it looks just like that. These are full 3/4 inch inside diameter. We leave the tag on there because we're using it for the relief line, and that's required 3/4 inch inside diameter, so that's what the tag's there for the inspector. So you've got a 12-inch supply line here, or 15, then an 18 over there. The house is piped with galvanized piping, so stubbing out of the wall, a nipple here, and of course there's about a 6-inch nipple here. But once we get to brass, we stay brass. There's a little brass connector right here, little brass nipple. Sorry about the shaking. So that's brass. You can see it. And then stainless steel down to a couple of 3/4 extensions. That just helps with the seating of our supply lines. These are Falcon stainless steel. They're very expensive. These are ultra flexible. You can take them apart, rebend them over and over again, replace the gaskets occasionally, and you'll be fine. We like them, we use them. So anyways, brand new vent at the top here. Is about a 16, 17-inch piece of single wall vent here. And then of course, adjustable 90 down to the draft diverter. Relief valve comes with the unit. And this is for temperature and or pressure relief. Either of those or both occurring at the same time, this will pop off right here. This is spring loaded, 150 PSI. This will pop open and drain to the exterior of the building. We didn't have a full picture of this before we began the project. We didn't see down here that we saw this in the wall. This was the old relief line. Unfortunately, for some reason, they took it down here and they stubbed it in the garage. And that's against code now. So, no charge. We went ahead, Falcon stainless steel connector, again, 3/4 inside diameter, down to copper tubing strapped it to the wall. And then just drilled a hole as low as we could go by code. We're about 6 3/4 inches off the ground. 6 is minimum, 24 is maximum. So we just strapped it, stubbed it out, another 90, siliconed it in. You're good to go on the relief line. No extra charge for that. Upper third adjustable straps. Lower third adjustable straps. Over here we give you a drip leg. Right there, we didn't have any galvanized tees. Brass is compatible with gas, as you know, because you can see the brass valve sitting in place. So brass tee, little 4-inch drip leg. We didn't have a cap, so we just give you a coupling and a plug. And so the gas is on in the 24-inch connector over to the unit. And so that guy's all tied together. We've tested it for leaking, whatnot. And so that's good. Over here at the controller, we've got it set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees, A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160. You can read right there, scalding risk increases with hotter water. And sorry about all the jumping around here. We recommend 120. It's great for the home. CDC recommends 140. Environmental Protection Agency recommends 120. And so you can decide what you want to do. We have to leave it there for liability purposes. Any trouble in the home, like at a shower valve or a single handle faucet, something like that, where a cartridge controls hot and cold water, any trouble in there, call us. We'll see if it's something that can be adjusted or replaced in the home, as opposed to coming out here and turning this up hotter and hotter. But that's entirely up to you. 140, like I say, CDC says 140 is fine. You just need to be mindful of scalding risk. At B, 140, 3rd-degree burns, 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. So anyways, you got a couple hours before you'll have hot water. It's heating right now. You can see there's your model number, serial number. You can take that to bradfordwhite.com. Give them the serial number, your full name, street address, all your contact info. They'll get your warranty going on this. Outside of that, this installation is done.